Hi, I'm Dr. Shannon and this is Move It or Lose It, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of stretching. The first type of stretching is static stretching, and this is what people usually think of when they think stretching. It's holding the stretch at the end range of motion for an extended period of time without moving. It can be done once or repeated if necessary. The second type of stretching is dynamic stretching. This is when you move through the whole range of motion of that joint at a controlled speed. This has the benefit of working on the nerves as well as the ligaments. The third type of stretching is hold-relax stretching. I've also heard it called neurointegrated stretching or proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. This is when you alternate stretching with 5 seconds of isometric contraction at the end range of that joint. This takes advantage of something called reciprocal inhibition. A lot of flexibility is actually controlled by the nervous system and not the musculature itself. Muscles around a joint are paired so that when one side contracts, the other side relaxes. This type of stretching allows for a better stretch in the relaxing side by deliberately contracting the opposite side. The fourth type of stretching is a fascial release called foam rolling. It's a form of self-massage as well as helps work out any restrictions in the fascia, which is a connective tissue sheath that surrounds and penetrates the muscles. This is done by slowly rolling over the foam roller as well as pausing on any tender spots or knots that could be causing restrictions in the range of motion. Using all 4 types of stretching is going to be better than using any one alone. Using all of them together is going to get at all of the reasons for restrictions of range of motion, including fascia, muscle, ligament, and the nervous system. So I encourage you to try using them all. Thank you for watching my video on the different types of stretching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to get more updates on stretching and pain-free living.